Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 5th Maths, chapter 5, and chapter number 5 is decimal. So students, in this video, I will teach you how to write the decimal numbers, how to read that decimals, how to put the numbers of decimals in the place value chart. So let us start. So see students, place value chart of a decimal number. So this I have made a box. Okay. So here in this box we have to put the chart, means we have to complete the place value chart. So here I have taken one example students, 295.781. So simply I am telling you here and how to read it, what places are there, what periods are there, that I will tell you in this video. So see 295.781. So students, here you are knowing very well that we are reading here ones place. If we are leaving the decimal, leave that decimal part. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds. This we are knowing that ones is there, then when we are moving to left side, tens, then hundreds. If the number is given like 491, so we will write 491. So 1 is in ones place, then 9 is in tens place, and 4 is in hundreds place. But students, as I had taken the example, that is 295.781. So how to read it and how to write it? So see students, here decimal is there. So when you are preparing a place value chart of decimal number, ones, tens, hundred, you will move to left side, then you will put a decimal here, and right side, see, after decimal, this is called decimal point. Okay, decimal point. So this is called decimal point. So before decimal point, you are knowing very well ones, tens and hundreds is there. But after decimal points, we have to read, we can take the place that is known as tens. Because ones is there, here tens is there, T-E-N-S. But here T-E-N-T-H-S. It is pronounced as tens. Okay. Then after tens, as here after tens, hundreds is there. So we will take hundreds. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Hundred is there. Then we will put T-H-S. This is called hundreds. Okay. After hundreds, as we are knowing, we can move to more to the left side. We will take thousands. But here we will take thousands. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-T-H-S. Thousands. So students, in this way, remember one thing, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs before the decimal. Okay. And after the decimal, ones place we will not take again. We will start after the decimal tens, hundreds and thousands. So students, as I had given you an example, 295,781. So remove these numbers, and now we have to put this number, given decimal number in this place value chart. So see students, here decimal is there. So we will put a decimal here, and here it is 5 is in ones place. We will write 5. Then 9 is in tens place. We will write 9. Then 2 is in hundreds place. We will write 2. What about the numbers present after decimal? After decimal 7 is in tens place. This is 7. Then 8 is in hundreds place. This is hundreds, 8, okay. Then 1 is in thousands place. So we will write here 1. So students, in this way, we can put the given decimal number in the place value chart. And according to this only, you will write the places of each number. For example, in this given number, I am asking you write the tens place. Which number is in tens place? Then I will ask you which number is in hundreds place. Then I am asking you which number is in ones place. I will give you question one by one, so you will write here the answers. Wait a minute. After this, more places are there in here. So if I will ask you about the 10th place, then 1000th place, then if I am telling you hundreds place. Okay, so students, one by one see what are the places given here. See this number, I am writing it once again here, 295.71. This is the number, and if I am asking you, write the digit which is in tens place. Write the digit which is in tens place. So tens place, this is not tens place, ones, tens, hundred, and this is tens, hundreds and thousands. So tens place we have to write down, so ones, tens. So which is in tens place? 9 is in tens place. Now here the question is hundreds place. So hundreds place is ones, tens, hundreds. It is not THS, it is only S. So ones, tens, hundred. 2 is in hundreds place. Now question is ones place. So after decimal we will see, after decimal this is ones. Okay. So we will write here 5. Now students, the question is tens. So tens place is there. So T and THS. So see, after decimal 7 is in tens place. As I had told you here. See 7. Okay. So we will write here 7. Tens place. Then thousands. It is not thousands. Thousand THS. So see students, tens and thousands. So 8 is in thousands place. Okay. Then after that tens, hundreds and thousands. Sorry, this is not thousands place. Thousands place is tens, hundred and thousand. 1 is in thousands place. Okay. Then after, see, tens and hundred, 8. So 8 is in what? 8 is in hundreds place. So students, in this way we can see the place value of all the, means the places of all the numbers given in a decimal number. Then now we have to understand how to read the numbers. So see here, it is 1.5. So this 1 is a whole number part. So whole number part. So 1 is a whole number part. So this is a whole number part. You will write like this. This is a decimal. This is called the decimal point. Okay, this is called decimal point. And the last one, this is 5. After decimal, the number is present. So this is called as the decimal part. Okay, decimal part. So 1.5. 1 is the whole number part. 1 is the whole number part. Second decimal is there. This is called decimal point. And third one, after 0.5 is there. After point it is there, after decimal point it is there. So that's why it is called as decimal part. So students, after knowing this, we should know how to read it properly. Okay. So 1.5. So 1, as I am telling you, we can read as 1. This is point, we can read as point. And this is 5, we can read as 5. So after that, this is the one way 1.5. So 1.5 we can read as 1.5, or this can also be read as 1, and this is what it is read as, it is and this is 5. So we will write 5 here. Okay, and after that we will write tens. As you are knowing very well that after decimal we are reading the next place as tens. So this will be read as 1 and 5 tenths or 1.5. So better way is 1.5. So 1.5 is easy way and next way is 1 and 5 tenths. So two ways are there for reading the number. So decimal number. So better to prefer this number. So students, I hope you have understood how to write the numbers, decimal numbers in the place value chart. And next thing is given how to read the decimal numbers. Thank you for watching.